Pass by reference. Like software programming languages, Systemverilog also supports two ways passing arguments between the calling point and actual function, either pass by value or pass by reference. When an argument is passed by reference, the caller and the callee use the same variable for the argument. If the function modifies the argument variable, the effect is visible to the caller's variable. When an argument is passed by value, the caller and callee have two independent variables with the same value. If the function modifies the parameter variable, the effect is not visible to the caller. These were the direction specification types you learned in previous session, and out of these, input, output, and inout will pass the argument by value. The keyword ref is used to pass the argument by reference. Here is a function that passing its argument by reference. The ref keyword is used in the argument list of the function named compare val. If you want to use both pass by value and pass by reference arguments in the same function, first you should list all value arguments before the reference arguments. That is, once the ref keyword is used in the argument list, all following arguments should be of type ref. Passing argument by reference would commonly used in test bench coding, especially when the classes and other data structures are modified in tasks and functions. In design coding, mostly you would need only simple functions looking similar to those in C or C++.